Hi, I'm Cordell with Green Acres Nursery and Supply. Today we're going to be talking to you about 10 types of flowers that you can grow from seed. Most of these flowers you usually want to start about 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost date. For most of us, the last frost date is usually in February. If you're unsure about your frost date, you can check the video that we're going to link below. So this is amaranth, which is a great cut flower, usually cascading, and you'd want to start it inside about 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost date. Bachelor's button is another great variety that lives in full sun and does well starting before your frost date. Cosmos are a great tall flower that thrive in the full sun, and zinnias have multiple varieties that look really great in any kind of bouquet. When you're looking for a good filler, you can't go wrong with statice. It's really full and fluffy. And for a different kind of look, you can go with a frosted grass. More great filling flowers is the drumstick flower, which also makes a great dried flower as well for long-term decorations. The ami, or green mist, is also a wonderful filler that adds a fluffy look to it. Keeping in mind that these thrive in a partial shade, your sweet peas can do really well and look beautiful in your bouquets as well. Snapdragons are a wonderful flower to add to any bouquet to brighten it up and to add some fun to anything. We carry tons of varieties of flower seeds at all of our locations, and if you have any questions on what to plant in your location, come on in and see us.